What's up guys, and welcome back to another unboxing. So this, I teased on my community post, is a pretty big lot. This should have Coffee Bean, Doom Shroom, and a couple new ones as well. So I'm just gonna stop yapping and get straight into it. So I'm gonna have to turn this on its side so I can open it. It's gonna be a little bit tough because I hurt my arm. I should probably do this with my left hand. I don't know. I hurt my arm yesterday and it sucks, but you know, what can you do? It's a little bit awkward, so sorry about that. Brute force. Letting me a little bit more from the knife. There we go. Cut some of this. Wow, shit. Okay. So, here you know. There we go. Alright, got one side. This still needs tape. There we go. Okay. Put this down real quick. Just alright. Here we go. So, kidding me? Sit on the other side. Promise you it's worth it. Stay tuned. Kidding me, the other side. Here is probably the most complicated unboxing. So now we should be able to open it. There we go. Oh boy, there's a lot in here. So let's pull them out. Oh, these are huge. Oh, that one's already falling out. Shit. This one. So let's get to unpacking them. First up is Coffee Bean. He kind of fell out of his bag. That's fine. Saves me a bit of work. You know, pretty damn cool. Coffee Bean. Alas, cool to have. So next up is Umbrella Leaf. Now I don't think this is the original. Pretty sure that it's not chemistry. Just the original one. So a little bit unfortunate, but it's also my first ever Umbrella Leaf, so should be grateful about that. There he is. These are huge and pretty heavy as well. It's really cool to get them after all this time. Leaf stuck or whatever. That's Umbrella Leaf. Pretty damn cool. Next up is guy is really big. And here he is. He's doing hypno shroom. Really fluffy, really soft up here. Looks really cool. A lot bigger than I'm expecting. But there he is. Next up, we got Infinite. Probably. These are our only internet stuff. That's cool. Lots of people very cool. So he's like, I don't know, he's like a strange material or plush. Here he is Infinite. Hear that? It's like, I don't know how to describe it. There he is. Infinite. Probably the last one of the video is one I'm really looking forward to. If he delivers. This is Doomshroom. Yeah, a little bit derpy, but there he is. Big man Doomshroom. Also pretty big. Good condition. So happy to have one. But that about concludes it for this unboxing. Some pretty cool characters I didn't even have before. So if you liked it, please consider liking the video, subscribing, and I'll see you in the next unboxing.